Hey, Chris here. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, in this video, we'll be looking at 3 sites that you can use to make £300 profit. Now, when I say £300 profit, that's on the low side. So actually, you're going to be able to really make between 300 to 500. But I didn't want to say 500 and then people click on the video and accuse me of doing some kind of clickbait and not being able to make 500. So at the very least, it will be £300 profit if you go through these 3 sites and you put just a small amount of time and effort into them. Now, I'll start off with the easiest, most straightforward site to use. Then we'll go to the, obviously, a bit more complex one. And then I'll save the best to last, so the one that you'll make the most money on. But there is a bit more work involved. But obviously, I'll do my best to explain everything that you need to know in this video. If at any point in the video you find just one thing helpful, I do massively appreciate you tapping the like button and drop a comment below with maybe how much profit you've made from any of these sites if you've used them already. But enough talking, getting on the laptop then. I said I was going to start with the easiest site here, and a lot of you regular subscribers would have heard me talk about this site a lot, but it's because it's such an easy, free way to get some just free money. So why wouldn't I talk about it? I want everyone to get involved with it. It's just free cash, basically. So it's joining the site Webull. They're Financial Conduct Authority regulated and a really great, basically, stock trading website. But when you join up, like you get with the match betting offers, for those of you that know what match betting is, where you just get free cash given out by companies and you bet on all the outcomes, with this, you get free cash for joining their site. So make an initial deposit of any amount to get 1 free fractional share. Then complete 1 trade in 30 days when your deposit arrives to get 1 free fractional share. So you're going to get 2 free fractional shares worth up to £1,600 each. But at the very minimum, I believe these are now worth $10. So that's about £7 or £8 profit just from that offer. Super, super simple to do. Takes about 10 minutes. Now jumping over to site number 2, which is a bit more involving, but you're going to make more profit than with the Webull sign up, but still wanted to include the Webull sign up. So this is cashback.co.uk, and what this site is, basically, you got 15 tasks or challenges to complete here, and yeah, they call it tasks there. And if I click on task number 1 here, you can see I completed that one. So the first one is literally just answer 3 quick questions to get started with using cashback.co.uk. So really straightforward. Then you go to number 2. So that one for me was, if I scroll down to it, sign up to free club and get access to all of the latest freebies. So I joined that, got paid for it, and then you move on. And some of these you get like a few different options basically. But then I moved on to 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 15. When you've completed the 15 tasks, then they pay you out to your bank account, or you can add in your PayPal there. From memory, users of that site, on average, make around £150. So very much worthwhile getting involved in. Takes a bit more time to get through all 15 tasks, but I think in a couple of evenings, it's very, very possible to complete them all. And then finally, saving the best till last, here we have on the laptop, Top Cashback. Now, Top Cashback, a lot of you may sort of look at this site as one where you need to go on and you need to spend money on shopping to get some money back. So, for example, that one that we just saw on the screen there, the site there, look fantastic. Up to 20% cashback on like skincare, makeup, products and stuff like that. I don't need to save any money on that kind of stuff. But if you were going to buy skincare, makeup and such, yeah, you'd be able to save 20%. Great. But you're not actually making any money there. The way you'd make money on Top Cashback is by clicking on categories, then going to entertainment and leisure and scrolling down to gambling. And don't click off the video yet, because I know I've just mentioned gambling, but trust me, you're not gambling. We're going to do the match betting strategy for this. So you're not risking your own money. You're using the bookmaker's money. So we would click on to gambling, although it's not gambling. Click on casinos, and then what you can find here, and obviously I know some of you will already know about this, but for those of you that are maybe more new to the channel, this is a fantastic way to make, I think I made like £200 from this site, so really, really good. Yeah, all you're going to do literally join a casino site. So for example, Bonus Kings, they're going to give you £25 back when you deposit £10 and wager it. And the way you sort of make money out of that, if we jump over to OddsMonkey, my recommended match betting site, and obviously the links to all of these for your convenience will be down in the description. So yeah, check them out there. There's the free trial to OddsMonkey, and there'll be a promo code as well to get 50%, save half off your first month of OddsMonkey, because this is a paid membership. But what we'll do is we'll go to the casino hub and then over to simulator, and basically you would use this simulator here, and you'd then be able to see that, okay, filling this calculator out is going to show us that for a deposit £10 and wager £10 offer, getting a £25 bonus, on average, our expected value will be £24.44. With regards to anything match betting related like that, maybe I've just explained something, you're not too sure about it, of course, drop your questions down in the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group. There's over 6,000 members in there now, so I'm pretty sure either myself or any of the members in there can help you and get you making money from this. It's really, really simple once you get your head around it, but I know it can be a bit confusing at the beginning. I hope you had some value from this video though. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.